Welcome to another 1-minute tutorial. Today we are creating these ocean waves. So let me open it in live server, and so you can see this is the waves. It's just bouncing in and off. So to create this using HTML and CSS, we are going to create HTML, give it div class ocean, and then wave, we give two div classes of wave. So now in the same document, we are going to style our CSS. So we shall give the body margin 0, padding 0, overflow, and the entire background is light blue. And then we shall style the ocean, which is the general class here. And then give it position relative width, margin bottom, minimum height, and maximum height. And then after that, we style the wave. So with the wave, we shall position it. And then the key point here is the height, width, background, and also opacity. And also we give it animation called wave animation 2 seconds, and we give it infinite linear. And then for the second wave, we are wave nth child, so we shall give it top and then animation 18 seconds and infinite linear. So after that, we shall give it the keyframes, and then we translate this, and then that, and that is all. And this is another way you can practice your HTML and CSS. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.